Product managers are out, product orchestrators are in. Why the shift? It's because it's so much easier to build products today, and you do not need an MVP that lasts for 3 months, or you don't need to do a lot of agile management and sprints. It's about connecting people, AI, data, and vision into one seamless flow. A product orchestrator is not just a product manager, it's a part-time systems thinker, is the automation guru, and is the strategy specialist. Product orchestrators don't just build backlogs. They automate workflows, they build agents and connect them. They also coordinate between low-code, no-code, and dev teams. And they spot product fluidity, not waiting for product market fit. So today, instead of just learning about product management, I also teach product orchestration. Think about small and medium-sized companies that need orchestration, need automation and adding those workflows and building those AI agents, connecting it together. This is where you come in as a product orchestrator. I'm also going to share a product orchestrator role description. And if you're interested, September is the time when I'll be teaching the course. Subscribe, follow, and enjoy your life.